So today I will discuss a heat exchanger with simple problem. This type of question generally comes in GATE exam. So if you attempt this type of question, you will get overall concept of heat exchanger. So let us take one parallel flow heat exchanger. Here all the parameters for hot fluid is given, that is flow rate, entry temperature, exit temperature. Then cold fluid is given, flow rate is given, that is 0.5. Then entry temperature is given but exit temperature is not given. Specific heat capacity for both the fluid is same, 4.187, and overall heat transfer coefficient 325 is given. So we can calculate amount of heat transfer, exit temperature of the fluid which is not given, then LMTD we can calculate the area and effectiveness of the heat exchanger. Let us try one by one. Okay, so this is the heat exchanger. So hot fluid entry temperature 75, exit 45, cold fluid entry 20, exit temperature not given. We have to calculate first. So let us take for hot fluid, what is the heat loss by hot fluid? Heat loss by hot fluid is flow rate, specific heat capacity of hot fluid into temperature difference, that is 0.2 4.187 into temperature difference 75 minus 45, that is 30. So this will give you 25.122 kilojoule per second. So we have got your how much heat is generated, lost by hot fluid. The same amount of temperature is gained by the cold fluid. So cold fluid given heat gain is mc c, then specific heat capacity into temperature difference for cold fluid. So it will be 0.5 4.187 into 20. So if you equate heat loss equal to heat gain, these two parameters if you equate, you will get exit temperature of cold fluid TC2, that will be 32 degrees centigrade. So you got a exit temperature 32 degrees centigrade. Amount of heat you got 25.122, exit temperature 32 degree centigrade, 25. So these two parameters you got. Now LMTD you can easily calculate. What is the formula for LMTD? LMTD del T1 minus del T2 ln del T1 divided by del T2. Put the value. This surface temperature 75 minus 20, 55. Here it is 45 minus 32, 13. ln 55 minus divided by 13. So LMTD will be somewhere 29.12 degree centigrade. LMTD is 29.12 degree centigrade. So this way you can calculate LMTD. Now the other things what you can calculate, you can also calculate area. For area, what is the formula? Heat formula, you take overall heat coefficient area into LNTD So you calculated this, this is given, that is what, 325. So Q is already, you have calculated what, 225.122. U is 325. Area you need to calculate, this is given 29.12. remember this is kilojoule, so you can make it multiply by 1000 for joule, so bring it 29.12 this factor, so it is area will be coming 2.66 meter square. So area already you got. Now last one is effectiveness. Effectiveness also you can calculate. What is the effectiveness? Actual heat loss by total heat loss, or actual heat transfer by total heat transfer. See, if actual heat transfer I will take from hot fluid, that is for hot fluid how much temperature it lost, for cold total temperature C mean T1 minus, so T1 minus TC1, so highest minus lowest, so that will be the maximum heat loss. So it will be around, you can say what is CH. C is the heat capacity of hot fluid, that is a product into specific heat capacity. For CH it is point. So if you put the value, or otherwise already you have calculated this value, this is 25.122, and C mean CC, that is specific heat capacity 2.093 for cold fluid, and hot fluid it will be C means hot fluid into specific heat, this will be mass flow into specific heat capacity. For hot fluid it is 0.831 and cold fluid it is 2.093. so minimum is hot fluid, that is 0.834 into 75 minus 20. So if you calculate this, it will be around 55. So effectiveness will be somewhere 55. So this way you can calculate all. Another thing you also you calculate, just for example your capacity ratio, C mean by C max. C mean is 0.084834 divided by 2.093. like this you can calculate, it will be around 0.4. like this you can calculate N2 also. N2 also you can calculate UA divided by C mean. All the things are given, you can calculate this one also. So this type of questions will come, and these are the parameters you can easily calculate. Thank you for listening, and forward your comments possible.